Most of the time when we work on the computer, we usually work with many different documents and many different applications. You may have several Microsoft Windows documents opened, and maybe you may have several Microsoft Excel documents opened, and maybe even a PDF. So navigating through all these documents can be a little bit hard, especially when there are a lot of documents opened. So to improve the process or to make it easy to navigate through these windows, there is a keyboard shortcut. It is Alt and Tab. So once you first press Alt and then the Tab key, and you will see all the windows that is open in your computer. And by again pressing the Tab while pressing the Alt key, you can move through the windows. And you can see that each window is getting highlighted. Once you reach the document that you want, and if you release the Alt button, it will open that particular document. So if you do that again, press Alt and then the Tab key, and it will show all the documents, all the windows. And by pressing the Tab key again, you can move through the documents. And once you get to the particular document that you want, you can release the Alt button and it will open that particular document. Other than moving to using the Tab key, you can also use the arrow keys. So again, I press Alt and Tab, and by using the arrow keys, you can go to the front, and also using the back arrow, you can go to the previous document. And once you get to the particular document you want, then release Alt button and that will open the document. Then again you can use the cursor as well. So if I again press Alt and Tab, and I can use the cursor to select any of these windows. So if I select on the PDF, it will open the PDF.